Hello guys, today in this video we are going to take a look how to import preset to Lightroom. So what are presets? Lightroom presets is a configuration of settings designed to achieve a certain look or style of your photo. So in order to import a preset, we need to download a presets. There are a lot of presets providing websites. Some of them are paid. We have to pay in order to download presets. Some of them are free. So I'm going to download a preset. I'm going here, Preset Pro. This is a famous presets provider. They do have a tons of presets. If we go under free menu, you can find a lot of presets. Most of them are really good. So I'm going to download the film preset. So go here and start download, and it will download a zip file, and you have to extract the zip file. Extract, there you go, and come back to your Lightroom. So go to your develop module. Okay, just select a picture. Just select right, develop, and go to preset and add preset, import presets, and just import your extracted preset file. So this is my film preset. Go here, still film, and import. So it's just importing the preset. So go down and look for the preset you just imported. So these all are my presets here. So let me find the preset that I downloaded right now. Just downloaded the film. Yes, there you go, the matte film. So this is a preset that I download. So if I select this one and apply the preset, it will automatically edit all the color levels and some of the configuration. So this is basically how to import preset. Thank you.